Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Makeup Artist 27. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page, and make sure you do click that bell notification right there so you can get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you're not following my social media, you can follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, and that is Facebook and Instagram. That is the same as the name of my YouTube channel, so you can always Makeup Artist 27 Facebook and Instagram. And it's also linked down below on the description. You can find the links directly, which makes it much easier than just typing it up. Whatever it's easy for you, just make sure it works. So yeah guys, if you do like the video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started on today's video. So on today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup look, doing a review on one of the newest palettes that was just released a couple weeks ago, which is the Abh Norvina collection volume 1 palette. And yes, I am so excited for this video. As you all know, this is a beautiful palette, and she already released another one, volume 2. Like, come on girl, can you chill? Apparently she was supposed to release this a couple months ago, and she did it, and then now she has all this stuff coming up. So it's like, come on, chill, can you chill? Because I haven't even well, this one I got actually in Sephora, but you know, some of us get it the afterpay. Yeah, so I have a lot of afterpay pending because all these products that are coming out, like Jeffree Star. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it here for you guys. And so we have the Abh Norvina palette, and the first thing I thought when I got it was like, oh my god, this is such a huge palette. Because when I saw it, I was like, I was not expecting it that big. I thought it was gonna be like square. I don't know, I thought it was like square but not this big. Like, and it is a big palette. Like, it's just big square. And let me see, it's 25 deluxe size high performance shades for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. So it's 25 shades, and it's such a beautiful palette. Look at that, look at that. It is amazing. I totally love the palette. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So on today's video, I'll be doing the swatches for sure, and it's beautiful. You have like some like shimmer ones, and you have colors here that are so beautiful. You have everything: purple, pinks, shimmer pink, red, blue, orange. You got it all in here, and it's such an amazing palette. Like, it's like a beautiful, you can even go neutral if you want, because you have like a darker shade right there, smoky if you want to go black. You can do so many things. I love the mirror. As you can see, it has a big mirror, which we love that. I can use it right now when I do the makeup. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the little swatches right here for you guys, and then jump into the tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the video with the tutorial. I already primed my eyes, conceal my eyes with the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I just blend that in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do what we do here, tutorials. And I'm still very confused on what to do. Like, I don't know if I want pink. I want purple. So confusing, like you don't know what to do. Let's go ahead and go with, let's go ahead with the A2. Very powdery, very powdery. Yep. And we are going to place that, let me see, like here. We want it like halfway. We don't want it like all the way. Because I'm going to be doing more colors. Same thing on the other eye. Just packing that in. Pigmentation is crazy. Like, you want purple? Yeah, this is purple. Let me show you guys more. Let me use this one. I'm using JS11, same A2. We're gonna use A2 right there. And we just want it on the inner corner. I'm going to cut the crease in the middle so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use JS6, which is like a small blending brush. And we are going for A5, the beautiful pink. Super, like, love it because it's like neon vibes, you know? So we want to put it right there. Alright, same brush, I just cleaned it with the beautiful cleaning thing. We love this. This is mini color switch. So if you're using the brush and you want to switch to another color, you just put it and you just circle motions and you're able to switch colors, which is amazing. I love it. We're going to use a D1, which is that beautiful yellow right there. And same thing, we're gonna use it on the top here. So now I am going to cut the crease with the P. Louise. Alrighty. So I cut the crease. As you can see, I just did it straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. That is what we did. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a flat brush and we are going for gold. I kind of want that shimmer color right there, just like a shimmer pink color. I'm taking a flat brush. We're gonna spray it because if you spray it, it's better. Get like a better look. Taking M411, like a small blending brush. We're going for the B4, that one right there. Because I want to like blend that with the other one. Alright, so we are done with the eyes. This is how they look. Yes, yes. So what I'm going to do now is do the rest of the face, and I'll be right back for the bottom eyeshadow. Yeah, and that's most of it. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back with like the rest of my face done, most of it. What we're gonna be working on is the bottom of my eye. Put eyeliner, lashes, and then we're good to go. And some setting spray, and then we're good. So I'm not sure what I want on the bottom, but I was thinking purple. And put it like the same vibe, like half and then half. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm going to use A2 on the inside, on the outside, and then the shimmery one or the pink one. Not sure. Maybe the pink, not the shimmer. Yeah, let's do the A2 and then A5 in the middle. So I'm using JS12, and we want that on the bottom. And of course, I did the eyeliner on the wing. I did the Roller Lash Benefit eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, it's super bomb. For mascara, I did the same thing, I did the same thing, Roller Lash mascara. And for the first time, I decided to try the BOMBSHELL Cosmetica, the Hot Diggity Fruity lashes. These are bomb, and somehow this was the first eyelash I didn't have a fight. Like most of the time I have a huge fight with like the lashes, and I'm like, it's a mess. One pop, one. It was amazing. I was like in shock. I was like, what the heck. So for my lips, I did this lip gloss, and I did the color Stone from Dose of Colors, and that's it. That is the rest. I'm going to prime it. I'm going to finish it up. Let's use actually I'm gonna use this one from I'm gonna use this one from Jeffree Star. Strawberry. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy the review with the new palette from Abh Norvina. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do like this look, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. I love the look, super different. I wanted to do something super like half. Everything's half, but super funky look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you do give it a thumbs up if you do like the video. And let's go ahead, and I'm gonna put you in a soup in